Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all will be in the best of your health. And I pray that may Allah Pak protect all of you from all the evils on this earth, and may Allah Pak bless you and your families with health, wealth and prosperity. So students, before deep diving into our today's lecture, that is lecture number 23, let's have a quick recap of what we have done so far. So in our last lecture, that was lecture number 22, we started exploring the second last element of our second module of software engineering management, and that is quality management. So in quality management, we started with the basic definition of quality, that what is quality, what do we mean by quality, to software quality, and then we deep dive into the quality management. We discussed different improvement methodologies that helps us promote quality management. We also discussed that how Toyota earns the title of King of Total Quality Management. We also talked about one of the most important improvement technique, that is Kanban, and we see how Kanban helps in software quality management. In last, we started with three main activities of software quality management, that are number 1 software quality assurance, number 2 software quality planning, and number 3 software quality control. Due to time constraint, we can explore only the first activity of software quality management, that was software quality assurance, and today we will talk about the rest of the activities. So we discussed in detail about software quality assurance. As software quality assurance is the activity of selection and definition of standards, we distinguish between product standards and process standards. While talking about quality assurance standards, we also discuss ISO 9000, an international set of standards that can be used in development of quality management system in different industries. So let's start with our today's lecture. So in today's lecture, first we will complete our discussion on our remaining activities of software quality management, that are software quality planning and software quality control. Then we will learn about different factors that influence software quality. After that, in this lecture, we will also highlight different challenges that software industry is facing. So let's start. So as we are done with software quality assurance, we will switch directly to our second activity of quality management, that is software quality planning. So what is quality planning? Quality planning, or software quality planning in simple words, is the process of developing quality plan for our software project or system project. In software quality planning, we basically identify all the requirements of our software project at the very beginning of our project. We also figure out how we can measure these requirements, or how we will measure these requirements, and we can prevent defects in our software project. We can divide our software quality planning into 5 main activities. Number 1 is introduction of product. So in introduction of product, we have to mention all the objectives of our product. We have to mention all the characteristics, specification, cost, time, resources, scope, and stuff like that. We have to mention all these things in introduction of product. Next step is product plans. Product planning is a very difficult term to define because it's a very broad term. It encapsulates so many things. But briefly, we can say that product planning involves all the internally focused decisions, steps and tasks that will be necessary to develop a successful product. Like what features should we prioritize for product development, or how we will determine the price points for our product and things like that. Our next step in quality planning is process description. Process description is a collection of all the information that describes characteristics of a process. So our next step in software quality planning is quality goals. Quality goals are targets for improvement of quality. Like we said, different targets, different quality goals that we have to achieve if we want a quality product. Step number 5 in quality planning is risk and risk management. If you remember, in lecture number 21, we discussed in detail all the aspects of risk and risk management. So you guys can revise from lecture number 21, risk and risk management. Now, that was all the 5 main steps of software quality planning. Beside these, in quality planning, we also define most important attributes. Most important attributes of our software. Those attributes also define software quality assessment process, that how we can measure, how we can assess our software quality, like safety, portability, security, stability, maintainability, and other attributes like that. So that was all about software quality planning. Our next activity of quality management is software quality control. So we have set standards in our first activity, that was software quality assurance. In our next second activity, we developed quality plan for our software project. Now, software quality control is basically about mechanism that how software development process will be monitored to ensure that project team or development team is following quality assurance procedures and standards. In quality control process, the deliverables of software development life cycle are checked against the defined standards. This assessment of deliverables can be done by regular quality reviews, or it can be done by automated software assessment. In case of quality reviews are basically performed by a group of people. And if you talk about automated assessment, a program, a computer program compare deliverables to the standards. So we are done with the activities of quality management. Now let's have a look at factors that affect software quality. There are various factors that influence software like maintainability, testability, usability, etc. But here we will discuss classic model of software quality. According to classic model of software quality, these factors are divided into 3 main categories. Number 1 is product operation factors. In product operation factors, we have factors like correctness, reliability, efficiency, integrity, usability. How correct your software is, how efficient your software is, how reliable your software is. So these are the factors that influence your software quality. Obviously, if your software is more efficient, it affects the quality of your software, and if your software is not efficient, it negatively affects your software. So next is product revision factors. In product revision factors encapsulates maintainability, flexibility, and testability. Again, if our software product is maintainable, flexible, these factors have very positive effect on the quality of our software, and vice versa, they will have very negative effect on our or we can say they will negatively influence our software quality. Third one is product transition factors. In product transition factors, we have portability, reusability, interoperability. These factors also influence the quality of our software. One thing more here, all the 11 factors that influence the quality of our software product, which we discussed under the umbrella of these three categories, like that were correctness, reliability, efficiency, integrity, usability, maintainability, flexibility, testability, portability, reusability, and interoperability. We discussed the definition and meanings of these terms in software development perspective in our earlier lectures. So I didn't explain each term here, that what do we mean by maintainability, what do we mean by interoperability. Fine, we discussed all these terms in our very earlier lecture. Now when I say that our software product is very reliable, very efficient, testable, portable, so I suppose that you all may know the meaning of these terms. So as we are done with our quality factors, now let's move towards the challenges. In software industry, no one can declare that the software is defect free, unlike other manufacturing industries. Like for example, Toyota company can claim that their new car is of very high quality and defects free, or any furniture company can claim about their products, but this is not the case with software products or software industry. The reasons are, number one, products are very complex, product complexity. If you remember, in our earlier classes we talked a lot about software complexity, software products complexity. Like if you remember the case study of Ariane 05, we discussed as an example of software product complexity. So our software products are mostly very complex. Software products allows huge number of operational possibilities as compared to other products. For example, take the example of salt grinding machine, or vacuum cleaner, or any heavy machinery in any industry, any plant in any industry. Like the number of operational modes are very less and manageable as compared to our software product. Our software products allow millions of operational possibilities. So this product complexity is one of the main reason behind the challenging nature. Fine, and that's why it's very difficult to achieve high quality products. Our second reason is product visibility. In industrial products, products are visible, like defects can be detected easily during manufacturing process. Also missing parts can be easily detected, but this is not the case with software products. They are very compact. It's very difficult to figure out the defects or deficiencies. So these were the challenges. That was all about today's lecture. So today we talked about the activities of software quality management. We discussed the factors that influence the quality of our software, and also we discussed the software quality challenges. Dear students, I tried my level best to explain all the concepts in very easy way. But even then, if you have any ambiguity, any confusion, you can ask me in your WhatsApp group. So, बच्चों, at the end, I will say, kindly think about this. Best of luck with your studies, and may Allah Pak protect you and your families and bless you and your families. Allah Hafiz.